Welcome to SpeakFlow English. Learn, practice, and succeed.
Good morning. Passport, please.
Good morning. Here is my passport.
Thank you. Welcome. Where are you from?
I am from Canada.
Canada, nice. First time in the United States?
Yes, first time. I am a little nervous.
That's okay. Don't worry. What is the purpose of your visit?
Purpose. Sorry. Can you speak slowly?
Of course. Why are you coming to the USA?
I am student. I study English.
Good. Where will you study?
Language school in New York.
Do you have the school address?
Yes, here. Shows paper.
Perfect. How long will you stay in the USA?
I think maybe 3 months.
Okay. And where will you stay in New York?
I stay in apartment with host family.
Do you have their address?
Yes, here it is.
Good. Everything looks fine.
Sorry, my English is not very good.
Your English is fine. I understand you.
Thank you. I am trying.
That's the most important thing.
My heart is very fast now.
Don't worry. You are safe here.
Thank you. I feel better now.
Do you have anything to declare?
Declare? What is declare?
Food, money, gifts, anything special. Oh, no, only clothes and phone. Okay. That's good.
Can I go now?
Yes. Go to baggage claim.
Baggage claim. My bags?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Welcome to the United States.
Thank you. I will try my best.
Hello. Welcome. How can I help you today?
Hi, yes. I need help. I want a phone SIM card.
Sure. We can help you with that. Do you need a new number?
Yes, new number. I just came here.
Okay, no problem. Prepaid or monthly plan?
Sorry. Can you repeat that slowly?
Of course. Prepaid or monthly plan?
Prepaid, please. Simple is better for me.
Good choice. Prepaid is flexible. No contract.
Contract? What is contract?
It means long agreement. Monthly plan has contract.
Ah, okay. I don't want contract. Prepaid is good.
Perfect. Can I see your ID?
ID? Sorry. What is ID?
Your passport or driver's license.
Oh, yes. I have passport. Here it is.
Thank you. Everything looks good.
I am sorry. My English is not very strong.
That's okay. I understand you clearly.
Really? I feel nervous when I speak English.
Don't worry. You're doing great. Many new customers feel the same.
Thank you. I am trying every day.
That's important. Practice is the key.
How long will it take?
Just about 5 minutes. I will set everything up for you.
Okay. I will wait here.
You can sit if you want. It will be quick.
Thank you. This is my first time doing this in English.
Then you are doing very well for the first time.
I hope next time will be easier.
It will. Every time gets easier. Hi. Welcome. Do you have an appointment?
Hi, yes, I have appointment.
Great. What's your name?
Mark.
Perfect. Please take a seat. The stylist will call you soon.
Thank you.
Hi, Mark. Nice to meet you. I'm Emily.
Hi, Emily. Nice to meet you too.
So, what would you like today?
I want haircut.
Okay. How do you want your hair?
Not too short, like here. Shows hand near head.
Around ear length or a bit longer?
Yes, a bit longer. I don't want very short.
Got it. Just a clean, natural cut.
Yes, simple is good.
Do you want it straight or a little style on top?
Sorry, style on top? What is that?
It means a little volume or shape here on the top.
Oh, I think simple. No special style.
Okay, simple cut it is.
Please don't make it too strange.
Don't worry, I understand you.
I am a little nervous.
It's okay. I will go slowly. Tell me if you want changes.
Okay, thank you.
All done. What do you think?
Wow, it looks good.
Do you like it?
Yes, I like it. Not too short.
Perfect.
I can explain my haircut in English now, ain't new.
That's great. You did very well.
Hello, where are you going?
45 Green Street, please.
Okay, 45 Green Street.
Yes, Green Street.
No problem. Let's go. We are almost there.
Okay, thank you.
Here we are, 45 Grant Street.
No, this is not my place.
Grant Street?
No, Green Street. GREN.
Oh, I made a mistake.
Yes. Green like color green.
Ah, now I understand. Green Street.
Yes, my street is Green Street.
Sorry about that. I heard Grant Street.
It's okay.
Let's go. It is close. Now we are here, Green Street.
Yes. This is correct place.
Sorry for the confusion.
It's okay. No problem.
Where exactly on Green Street?
Number 45. Apartment 3B.
Got it.
Thank you. My English is getting better every day.
Yes, you are doing good. Hi, welcome. Are you ready to start?
Yes. I am ready.
Good. First, we stretch.
Okay.
Put your arms up, slowly.
Like this?
Yes, perfect. Good job. Now stretch your legs.
My legs, like this?
Yes, very good. Now we lift weights.
Oh, this is heavy.
It's okay. Start slowly.
I will try.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Good. Keep going.
My arms are very tired.
That's normal. You are doing well.
I think my arms are small today.
Yes.
They will get stronger. Take a short rest.
Thank you.
Then we repeat.
Again?
Yes, one more set.
Okay, stretch, lift, repeat.
Perfect. You are learning fast.
Gym is hard, but I like it.
Good attitude.